channel and my really messy kitchen slash apartment, I just get a kick out of how we use cauliflower to replace every single grain-based product these days. So I came up with this recipe for how to make vegan paleo almond chocolate chip cauliflower cookies. Enjoy.
To start off, mix 1 cup of cauliflower with half a cup maple syrup, 1 cup of ground flax seeds, 1/4 cup of almonds, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Then transfer your batter to a bowl and fold in the chocolate chips. Finally, scoop that batter onto a cookie tray and bake them in your oven at 375 degrees for 12 minutes.
Here we have 2 lovely cauliflower chocolate chip cookies. They're actually pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Genius Baking. Write in the comments and let me know if you try to make cookies with cauliflower. What a time to be alive. Bye guys.